Guys, so I wanted to check out this Robo Cleaner sent to me by VANiGO, who makes some pretty awesome gadgets and devices for household cleaning. This is a very technologically advanced Robo Cleaner employing the latest technology such as gyro navigation as well as motion control chips. So it should be pretty awesome actually. I've been meaning to check one of these out for many years actually, but I didn't think that the technology was up there when they first came out. But I think they've been constantly improving, and I've seen some awesome YouTube videos of other ones actually in motion. So this is how it looks. As you can see, it comes in a very kind of nice styling here. Got some blue, red and yellow on it. If we flip it upside down, we can see we have two like spinny brushes things which help to get it into like nooks and crannies when it comes to cleaning. You have some brushes here as well which spin around when it's on. Some very tough rubberized wheels as well, so it can go up and down. Maybe, you know, skirting boards and things like that. So it's fully loaded here. You also have the ability to swap out this little compartment if you want to do some like mopping up. So I think I've got the mop attachment as well here. So this is the mop attachment. As you can see, put your water in there and then you connect it up like this. I think, is it this way? Maybe, or is it this way? Yeah, it's that way. I haven't actually tried the mop attachment yet, so looking forward to check that out. There you go, clicks into place. But I wanted to first show you the Hoover kind of vacuum cleaner attachment. As you can see, I have had a play with it already because I did want to, you know, see how it works before making a video, because it does help. So in terms of the actual charging, you can see the little metal kind of bars do connect to the charging ports thing on the charger. So we'll just lift that up and put that there. There should be a physical on button at the side somewhere. So if you don't want it to be actually running, you can...
Welcome to this intelligent robot. I'm happy to serve you.
You see, the robots are taken over here. So as you can see, it is flashing red at the top. That means that it is actually charging. That will say solid green when it's ready and fully charged. But I'm guessing that you can interrupt it while it is charging just to, you know, see it in action here. So I'm going to use the controller. We're going to press auto and then hopefully it should spring into life. So let's go.
Cleaning begin.
And we get out of the way before it eats me. Look at that. That is pretty awesome. See how it gets into the nooks and crannies? This is perfect dark in real life. This is, come on. It's looking for muck now. You see? It knows where it's going. It's going to pick up the muck and the muck's gone. And it readjusts itself when it needs to. And if you want it to return back home, you just press the home button and then it should find itself back to the charging pad thing, which I think is absolutely awesome. You know, this is like Tesla, like God level, like awesome, the way it does this. I mean, that is amazing. So it's just charging now, and once it's fully charged, I'm guessing you can set it on an auto cycle so it does its own like cleaning schedule. So let's just make a little bit of a mess here and then see it in action again. So we have made a little bit of a mess here with my cereal, as you can see, and we want to go
Cleaning again.
You do get some replacement brushes as well with the package. Makes light work of that mess. Look at that. That is pretty awesome. And obviously, as I said, you can disable the auto mode and go
Cleaning again.
like control it yourself if you do want to do that. So let's just go through some of the amazing features it does actually have. It has a memory function where it can actually remember the way that the device has cleaned a room. So this actually helps it prevent it banging into walls and stuff and taking damage around the front. So that is a pretty cool feature, as well as gradability. So it can actually scale like small obstacles as well, about 1.5 centimeters. So that, as I said, is pretty useful when you've got like differing levels of rooms. It's got a prevention of dropping function as well. So if there's like a drop detected, it will stop what it's doing and turn around the other way. It's also got 5 different like cleaning modes at the bottom of the remote controller. So by default it'll go in like a bow type of flash cleaning. So it's like regular mode, and then it's also got like a spiral kind of mode here, where it will like kind of go into a spiral cleaning mode, as well as like an edge cleaning mode to focus on muck at the edges of a room with this one. So lots of different modes here on the controller to get to grips with. Personally, I'd probably just keep it on auto because it seems to do a really good job and knows what it's doing, just keeping it on the default settings. So as you can see, we have made like a spillage here. I can assure you that is orange juice. And let's see how it does the mopping up now. You have to fill it with water. So let's go.
Begin to mop.
Wow, that is incredible. Look at that. That is amazing, bro. It picks up a hell of a lot of stuff as well, just emptying out the old cartridge thing. I was very impressed. And the way it kind of intelligently knows where the spillage is, I just find it amazing. It's like black magic. I don't know how they've done that. I don't think you're supposed to go back to the charging bay when you have the mop attachment. I did read, so I'm just going to do it manually. Back up here, and then it can have a settle down and turn it off.
Stop cleaning.
Yeah, stop cleaning. So very robotic thing here. I mean, this is truly like Skynet to me, but yeah, you know, colour me impressed. I was a little bit of a cynic when I first got it, but this is an absolutely awesome device. I won't need to use any mops or vacuum cleaners, that's for sure, using this. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check it out as well. I think they are quite affordable compared to the, you know, very expensive ones that you can get on the market. So yeah, just a quick little video here checking out the VANiGO Robo Cleaner. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.